Hopkins Village in Belize, one of the most underrated places you can go. And today I'm going to show you guys not only about the amazing accommodations you can stay in out here, the delicious food you can eat out here. We're also going to look at the activities. So the Garifuna drumming, all the cultural experiences that come along with this part of Belize. And we're also going to jump out on the Caribbean Sea and look for whale sharks. It is that time of the year right now. And I've heard rumors that those whale sharks are out there whale sharking right now. So let's go Hopkins Belize, baby. As always, to kick it off, let's hear from the locals about what makes Hopkins such a special place.
I like Hopkins because we're right in front of the beautiful Caribbean Sea.
My favorite thing about Hopkins, dude, it's the people. I mean, everywhere you go, everyone treats each other with love.
My favorite thing is the people, the love, you know?
People, man, they love everything, bro. Just the way how people interact with everyone, just love here, bro.
It's us, the people. We did have the love. It's not the trees, it's not the land, it's not the home, it's us, the people.
As you guys heard, one of the main reasons that Hopkins is so beautiful is the people, but we're gonna learn about many things in the video, including accommodations, what activities you can do. We're gonna go do some cultural experiences with the Garifuna drumming and show you guys the zip lining and other activities in the area. And of course, we're gonna talk about some of the food in the area. But first, let's head over to where we're gonna be staying, Hamanasi, and show you guys a bit of this beautiful resort. The resort is a beautiful beachfront property with 32 rooms, including beachfront villas as well as jungle cabanas. And in the property, you see quadamundis running around and other wildlife. They have a full dive center equipped with boats that are heading out to the reef and to the atolls and islands every day, as well as a pool on the property, a great restaurant, and so much more to offer. And the other factor was the proximity to town. Just being able to hop on the bikes they have on the property and head back to town. And now let's start with the cultural experience of Hopkins. Of course, I'm referring to the Garifuna drumming and dancing. About to drum like crazy over here, baby. I have the best drum teacher for today. Amari's been training for decades. She's gonna show me how to play the drums right now. When it comes to activities, one of the main things you need to do when you're in Hopkins is do the cultural Garifuna experiences. So that's the cooking classes where you make the traditional harat, or their drumming class, which Laylo and I are about to do right now. We're at Sameti. Hold on, how do you say the name again? Sameti Gifiti? This guy's laughing at me, bro. I'm at Sameti Gifiti, and this is where you come to the cooking and the drumming classes. As you can see, you got the yellow, black, and white, the Garifuna colors. So let's dive in on a little drumming here, guys.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hopkins Will and Company. My name is Delia, and you guys are here at Sameti Gifiti Hopkins.
Theo here once again, guys, right here in Hopkins, and we're about to do some live Garifuna drumming for you guys. But before that, I'm gonna explain what we're about to play, all right? So the first rhythm we're about to play is called Hugu Hugu, all right? Hugu Hugu is more used in the temple. So we Garifuna people, we do believe in afterlife, and that's the rhythm we use to give offering to our ancestors.
Just keep it. You're at the level. Tell me how my level is. That's the level right there, right? All right, okay. The two.
It was an honor to join in and play some of the traditional Garifuna music amongst these amazing drummers.
Yes, man. And then we're gonna move on to another rhythm, which is Jankono, Wanaragwa. in Garifuna. So one other one, the dancer controls the drummer, whereby the dancer is gonna move and the drummer got to play where the dancer goes, all right? So let's enjoy, let's have some fun. Yes, man.
So one of the beautiful things being here at Hopkins, being in this beautiful small village, is the love, the people. You guys been seeing all throughout about it. And also with the drums, the dancing, and all of these beautiful things that they do. This is the pure culture that what we bring. This is our way Belize that fam. This is our way we bring for all owner from the world. And this is all love, peace, and of course, unity.
As you guys see, Hopkins is a community that moves to the beat of its own drum. From here though, we're meeting with a local fishing legend, Kamani, who's going to be taking us out to potentially see the beautiful whale sharks. And also, we're going to spear some fish and enjoy the Caribbean Sea around Hopkins.
My name is Kamani Williams. We're in Hopkins today. We're gonna head out tomorrow morning. Hopefully weather's gonna be good. We're gonna go out spearfishing. Target species I'm feeling for tomorrow, some hogfish, snapper, get on some grouper, different species of grouper. We got black grouper, red grouper, and we got goliath grouper, what else, strawberry grouper. Bunch of different snapper species. We got dogtooth snapper. And right here, we're just walking over options of boats that we have for tomorrow. So I think maybe, depending on the dive, we might get a bigger fish.
So if he's putting me on the fish, he's helping me. There's a team job here, you know?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Team day. I don't know. Let's see. All right, it's morning of right now. We got full moon today. So Kamani just pulled up. We're about to go out. Kamani, how are the conditions looking, brother?
We got some north wind pulling in. I'm fingers crossed about it, to be honest. I think we're gonna have a real good chance of getting some big fish because when this north wind blows in, it brings in a lot of clean water from up north. So I'm really keying in on this. Check out the first spot, maybe get some grouper, you know, maybe some hogfish or some snappers.
What about the whale sharks today, brother? Do we have hope?
I got some hope. You know, it's always a 50-50 chance when you're out there, you know? I mean, for me, it's always great when I'm on the water. I'm very happy with that. But if we see some whale sharks today,
yeah, we're not, you know, we don't need too much. Like just seeing a little spotted eagle ray, maybe a little turtle, catch a couple grouper, like that's all we need today. And just being out here with the, what is it, president of the Spearfishing Association?
not officially.
Yeah, we're unofficial and everything though. We're out here today, let's shoot some fish, let's go.
We have a northern wind coming in right now, a little bit of a cold front, so we're going to the backside. They have all of these little islands off the coast of Hopkins, and we're gonna try to find a calm place where hopefully the water isn't too wavy and the visibility is better, because Kamani and I are gonna be spear fishing, which means you have to actually see the fish in the water. And I think we're pulling up right now.
Oh, dude, first stop, we're near Peter Douglas area. Right behind Wilbauer Flat. We're gonna check out this spot to see if we can find some hogfish, some snappers. Let's see if we can get lucky on a first drop.
Game time here, baby. Okay, there's sharks everywhere. It's a sharp drop off. Let's see what happens out of it.
I was gonna get the big one, but then Kamani jumped in and got it.
All right.
Well, we got a fish each. Good warm up. Kamani's still looking though. He's trying to get extra fish while out of the water. So far his is bigger, but I'm a grower, not a shower. Just wait.
All right, we're at spot 2. Let's see what else we can get. We already got 2 jogs and spot 1. We only got the small one.
Yep.
Right now we're a little bit over Peter Douglas, whereby it's in between Hopkins and Placencia.
Spearfishing, hunting for anything that's going around.
After hours of fishing, unfortunately we didn't see the whale sharks, but we made it almost all the way to Placencia and got to settle down at King Louis Key for a quick bite. When it comes to food in Hopkins, one of the spots that everyone has told me about is Ella's Cool Spot. And this is crazy. So as Layla and I are driving up, I gotta be quiet because she might hear me. Layla says that from when he was this tall, the owner actually knew him, but I don't think she remembers him. So we're gonna surprise her with a little reunion with Layla and try the food. They have Garifuna dishes, they have Belizean Creole dishes, they have jerk chicken, they have a little bit of everything here. So I'm excited. Layla, what are you thinking, bro?
I am starving. You know what? This place is all love, man. And my tummy needs some love right now. So let's go to Ella's Cool Spot.
The famous Ella.
Oh, welcome to
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, you used to live over at San Pedro.
Yes, sir.
I was your neighbor back in the day.
Aww.
My mom is Miss Lucy.
Lucy, yes, yes.
Then we had Miss Petra beside. I used to hang out with the kids around.
Yeah.
I'm that 5-year-old little boy that used to hang around there.
Aww. I remember clearly, yes. You're my neighbor in San Pedro. No, he's a cool guy,
The food in Hopkins was amazing, and make sure you go to Ella's. I had the jerk chicken there and it was a 10 out of 10, but they also have a variety of delicious Belizean dishes and of course the traditional Garifuna hadat, which you gotta try while you're in Hopkins. The next morning, we made our way down the street, right down from the hotel. Of course, I'm talking about roast. They have every breakfast dish you could think of: French toast, waffles, pancakes, eggs, the works. Of course, the Belizean dishes, fried jacks. But one thing that stood out to me was the shrimp French toast. You heard me right, shrimp and French toast. Get in the comment section, let me know if you would eat shrimp French toast. But Hopkins has such a wide variety of food. We also tried some delicious fried jacks on the street side as we were biking down. And be sure to get around and experience all the different foods you can while you're down there. Once you've had your fill of water activities and delicious food in Hopkins, you might want to pop out to the jungle and try some of the amazing jungle activities like the crazy zip lines at Bokawina, seeing the howler monkeys in the treetop, going near the jaguar reserve, all the amazing waterfalls, and really get that true jungle experience.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rachel Armstrong. I'm the resort manager at Bokawina Forest Resort and Adventures. We are situated inside of a national park and we're located on the Southern Highway.
You have the best of both worlds. Since we're nearby Hopkins, Dangriga, Placencia, you would be enjoying nature and the sea. Now, this is the part of the adventure that you're gonna enjoy.
Bokawina had so much to offer. It's more than ziplining through the jungle canopy top and looking at the beautiful wildlife around you. They also offer a delicious array of lunches and drinks and so much more while you're on the property.
Alright, right now we're heading to the Bokawina waterfall rappelling, 125 feet. So we're gonna hike 15 minutes to get there.
So that is the Hopkins video, guys. I want to say a special thank you to everyone at Hopkins that helped out with this video. And if you guys are interested in learning more about the Belizean culture and finding out how to make chocolate and what other Mayan temples are around Belize, well, you might want to check out this video where we head down all the way south to the Guatemala border to a village called Punta Gorda and explore all the beauties it has to offer. Other than that, guys, we'll see you in the next video and hopefully down here in paradise soon.